This conference will now be recorded.
Hi everybody. Now I'm going to share you programming essentials in Python to become a data scientist. So the thing is, what are the necessary things to know in Python to become a data scientist? Okay, the basic things. If you know these things, if you are perfect in these things, then you can become a data scientist. You are eligible for the data scientist. I mean, you can learn the machine learning and data sciences by yourself, and you can take guidance of others. Okay, so I'm going to show you. I prepared a PPT for that, and also PDF file. So I'm going to open that and share you what are the things contained in that. Okay, let's get started. So programming essentials in Python for data scientists. You can go through this. So what are the things we need? Okay, what are the things we need in Python? So first one, installing the Python, getting started with Python, variables, booleans, and other things, built-in functions, if else and else if, playing with strings, lists and tuples, data types. Those are data types, isn't it? Loops, dictionaries, defining functions, files, modules, and classes. If you are good in these all things, okay, these things are enough. If you are good in this all the above things, all these things content, then you will be masterize. You can masterize. Okay.
This conference will now be recorded.
Hi everybody. So now I am going to show you programming essentials of Python. What are the things you need to learn in Python if you want to go for the machine learning and data sciences? So many people are asking me. So today I did that. Okay. So what are the essential things in Python? What are the essential compulsory things you need to learn to become a data scientist or to become a machine learning? Okay. So I have prepared a PPT and all the content inside that. Okay. I'm going to show you that. Okay. So you need to, if you are perfect in these concepts, what I'm going to show you, then you can start learning machine learning and data sciences. So I want to show you that. Okay, I have prepared the PPT and all the contents inside that. I'm going to show you that. So I got same thing with the PDF also, and I'm going to show you that right now. Okay. So first of all, we need all the things. What are the things we need for to become a data scientist in Python? So I'm going to show you that. So this is the list. This is the list. If you go through the list, if you are familiar with all these things, you are ready to start with machine learning and data sciences. So what are the contents inside this? So installing Python, how to install a Python, getting started with Python, how to start, how to write the programs. I think everybody knows. Okay. And variables also, variables, all the things, built-in functions, if else and else if, playing with strings, list and tuples, loops, dictionaries, defining functions, files, modules, and classes. Okay. So I'm going to step by step. I'm going through this. Okay. So installing Python. This is the installing Python. In the Windows, how we'll be installing. So this is the video. If you click on this, you will be getting a video. Okay, I have prepared a video how to install a Python. You can go through that. And Python programs, a small Python program, how we will be running. You can go through that. Getting started with Python. So one by one, I'm going to provide you this PDF as well as a PowerPoint. Okay, along with this video in the description. Okay, you can go through that. Just I want to show you what are the contents inside this. Okay, you can download and go through that, and everything we have covered. So if you are good in all these things which I am showing, which I have prepared in this PowerPoint and PDF file, Okay, so whatever convenient, you can go through that. Even PDF or PowerPoint, whichever is convenient for you, you can open that and go through that. So if you are good in all these concepts, definitely you can kickstart your machine learning or data science course. Definitely I can say that. Okay, so many people are asking me, so where to start, how to start, so what are the basic things do I need to learn to start with the machine learning and data sciences. So these are the things. Okay, in description I have given the uh, from the drive I have given the link. Okay, so from that link you can download this PDF file as well as the PowerPoint. You can go through all the things. So I don't want to explain each and everything because they're in the PDF. Okay, it is very simple language I have prepared, and it is very easy and simple language. You can understand even if you don't have the basic programming language background also. You can go through this, go through this and understand the concept. Okay, so just I'm scrolling all the slides. That's it. Okay, just I'm scrolling all the sites. You can go through the PDF file, PDF or PowerPoint, whatever is convenient for you. Okay, so it contains around 90 plus, I think 98 or 96 slides, I don't know. Okay, so it will take around 1 hour to 2 hours if you sit and go through this. And after knowing all these concepts, you can start your machine learning. Okay, machine learning and data sciences, you can start learning. So it's a request. So many people ask me to how to start. What are the basic things do I need to know to start with the machine learning and data sciences in Python? So these are all the things. You can go through this. I'm providing this PDF in the thing at the end. Okay. Thank you very much. Thank you.